Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Paint immediately. Press the Windows key, type Paint, and hit Enter. Once done, open your image using File Open or drag it in. Make a backup copy so you can undo major mistakes. Next, check canvas size with resize or crop and keep aspect ratio locked to avoid distortion. These first steps ensure you're editing the right file and working at the exact dimensions you need, preventing wasted time later when details matter. Now you perform the core edits. Select the appropriate brush and set size and opacity to control stroke strength. Switch to eraser for corrections. Use shapes and text for structured elements, and employ Select with transparent selection to composite without background blocks. Zoom in with Ctrl and plus for detail work, and use grid lines for alignment because precise placement matters. Remember Ctrl plus Z for quick undos if you need to isolate an area. Copy to a new file to avoid accidental global changes. Finish by exporting correctly. Choose File Save As and pick PNG for lossless quality or JPEG for smaller size. Name and confirm location. Make sure your exported image preserves colors. If you see shifts, re-export at 24-bit depth and verify display color settings. If a tool is missing or the app crashes, go to Settings, App's optional features to repair or reinstall Paint or check Windows Update. These final steps secure your output and give one clear fix if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.